The pythonid, commonly known as pythons, are a family of non-venomous snakes found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. They are one of the largest snakes in the world. Pythons use their sharp, backward curving teeth, 4 rows in the upper jaw, 2 in the lower, to grasp prey which is then killed by constriction. After an animal has been grasped to restrain it, the python quickly wraps a number of coils around it. Death occurs primarily by cardiac arrest. That's Python for us. Next is Python-3. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Guido van Rossum developed Python. Its developer named it after Python snake, and can be clearly seen in its logo. Python is meant to be an easily readable language. Its formatting is visually uncluttered, and it often uses English keywords where other languages use punctuation. Unlike many other languages, it does not use curly brackets to delimit blocks, and semicolons after statements are allowed but are rarely, if ever, used. It has fewer syntactic exceptions and special cases than C or Pascal. That's Python 3 for us. Next we have Python-5, which is a weapon. The Raphael Python is a family of air-to-air missiles, AAMs, built by the Israeli weapons manufacturer Raphael Advanced Defense Systems. The Python-5 is currently the most capable air-to-air missile in the world. Currently, the missiles are in service with the armed forces of over 15 countries from around the world. That's Python-5 missile for us.
Thanks for watching Python Every Day. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch other videos on our channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.